Hi there, this is John Bow, and I'm, as you can see, in my home office once again. I've had to home quarantine because of close contact, so I can't get out to graze to actually stand by the cars and tell you all about them. But there's a couple of gems out there at the moment are about to go live on their Graze Classic Cars auction site. This car is one of my favourite Commdores. It's an SV88, so it's an HSV car. They were the first cars that Walkinshaw, Tom Walkinshaw, who created HSV, one of the first cars that they built. They built the SV88, 150 of them, all the same colour, all the same trim, 5 litre V8s. It was just after the big fallout by Peter Brock and HDT, who everybody would know had their, the whole Holden sporting car thing covered for a very long time. But he was, as anyone knows that knows about motorsport, he was in quite a difficult position with General Motors, and it all turned to poo. So Tom Walkinshaw created HSV, and the rest is history. This car's beautiful. It's a quite unique, very low volume car, and it's very, very collectible. So go on Graze Classic Cars online and have a look at it. I think they look gorgeous, and it's the start of something that became very, very big in this country. So go and have a look.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Graze Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Graze on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.